the stand slides into these holes right here. Bam. Bro, easy. Tablet, music, stuff. Okay, now I have no excuses. Ready to go. What's up guys, this is Kilo again, and this is what I'm learning on the piano is an Alesis Recital 88 key beginner digital piano. I'm looking at the what I ordered here on Amazon, and it says it's a keyboard with full-size semi-weighted keys, power supply, built-in speakers, and 5 premium voices. So let's look at the details of this bad boy. So this says it's a full-featured digital piano for beginners, electric keyboard with 88 premium, full-size, semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. So for me, having 88 keys was important because I wanted a full-size keyboard just so that I'm not learning on like some toy thing, some beginner thing. I want to learn on the real deal, right? It says premium sound, 5 voices, acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass, built-in effects, chorus, reverb, and 2 built-in 20-watt speakers that deliver crystal clear, room-filling sound. It says play the keyboard anywhere via the included power adapter or 6 D-cell batteries. Powerful educational features, standard, split, layer, and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony and Scoof 3-month premium subscription for expert interactive online piano lessons. So I'll check those lessons out. I'm going to be using something else to learn piano on. Still debating on whether I want to do the playground sessions or musician. I'll probably do a video on the differences in those. Musician seems fun, but the internet is blowing up about playground sessions. USB sustain pedal outlets, RCA outputs, headphone output, power adapter, 6 batteries, placing for 6 battery, and educational system. So pretty nice. That's what I'm working on. So the keyboard stand that I got is a Rock Jam Xfinity heavy duty XX pre-assembled infinitely adjustable piano keyboard stand with locking straps. So let's go to the unboxing. Pop it out, bam. Look at that thing. This thing's beefy. This is gonna get the job done, I think. Alright. Rock Jam Xfinity. Alright, so that's the stand. Let's get to the main deal. Alright, what do we got in here? We have the free piano course, $30 rebate, $30 value, my bad, $30 value. And then we got the cool band we're gonna jam with. We got the little kids. That's gonna be me in the background. Like that. Alright, this is guys. How do you feels right. You know, it's like the resistance is just so beefy. Oh yeah. Take a little key guard out. Oh yeah. Beautiful. This dude on the stand. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Move that shot back. Get the shot. No, move it in. Move it in the shot. Yeah. Feels good. It feels really good. Feels really good. This is the keyboard that I'll be learning on. Feels great. All right, no excuses. Let's get it done.